Welcome. In front of me is iPhone 12, and in this video I will tell you how to recover the access to your device if you forget your device's passcode. So the first thing that you should consider is taking your time and trying to remember the passcode that you used the last time to access your device. And if you really can't do this, then there are two options of factory reset operation that you can perform on your phone. This will erase all data from your device, and unless you have a backup of your device stored in iCloud, you won't be able to regain access to your device's data. And so the first option is using iCloud. So log into your to iCloud.com website now using your Apple ID, then click Find iPhone, select your iPhone 12 from all devices list, click Erase Phone, and once it erases you can set it up as a new device or restore from a backup. And if you can't do that, you also can try performing factory reset locally on your Windows PC or maybe MacBook if you have one. So if you want to know more how to do that, you can check the video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset on an iPhone step by step. And if you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video, so thank you for watching it. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.